In 1997, deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, scientists detected a sound unlike anything they had ever recorded before. It was so powerful that underwater listening stations located nearly 5,000 kilometers apart picked it up at almost the same time. No ship reported an explosion, no earthquake had occurred, and no known animal was capable of producing a sound this loud. The mysterious signal lasted for just over a minute, but it immediately captured the attention of researchers around the world. Some believed it could have come from an enormous unknown sea creature. Others thought it might be caused by an unusual natural event hidden deep beneath the ocean. As scientists searched for answers, the recording was given a name that would soon become famous across the world: the bloop. The sound was recorded by a network of underwater listening stations operated by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, better known as NOAA. These hydrophones were never designed to search for mysterious sea creatures. Their purpose was to detect underwater earthquakes, volcanic activity, and even nuclear tests across the world's oceans. But the signal recorded in 1997 was unlike anything the system had detected before. It was unusually loud, lasted for more than a minute, and spread across an enormous distance. Researchers carefully analyzed the recording, but no immediate explanation could fully account for what they had heard. For years, the bloop remained one of the greatest unsolved mysteries hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. The incredible power of the sound immediately led to one question: could it have come from an enormous sea creature unknown to science? Some researchers pointed out that the signal appeared to be even louder than the calls produced by blue whales, the largest animals ever known to exist. That single observation fueled countless theories across the world. Many people began wondering whether something enormous might still be hiding in the deepest parts of the Pacific Ocean. But despite the speculation, no scientific evidence ever confirmed the existence of such a creature. The bloop remained a mystery, a recording powerful enough to spark imaginations across the globe, yet mysterious enough to leave even experts searching for answers. For years, no one could explain where the bloop had come from. Scientists continued collecting data and comparing the mysterious recording with other sounds detected across the world's oceans. As technology improved, a new explanation slowly emerged. Researchers discovered that massive icebergs breaking apart near Antarctica could produce extremely powerful low-frequency sounds. When enormous sections of ice fractured deep beneath the ocean's surface, they released energy that traveled for thousands of kilometers through the water. The more scientists studied these events, the more closely they matched the characteristics of the bloop recording. Today, many experts believe this is the most likely explanation behind one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. Although most scientists now believe the bloop was caused by the cracking of massive Antarctic icebergs, the mystery continues to capture people's imagination. One reason is simple: much of the world's oceans remains unexplored even today. Scientists have mapped the ocean floor in increasing detail, yet vast regions of the deep sea are still poorly understood. Every year, researchers discover new species living thousands of meters below the surface. That leaves room for curiosity and endless questions. Perhaps the bloop has already been explained, or perhaps the deep ocean still hides mysteries that humanity has not yet uncovered. Sometimes, the greatest mysteries are not found in space, but beneath the waves. Today, scientists use advanced robots, sonar systems, and deep-sea research vehicles to explore parts of the ocean that were once completely inaccessible. Even with modern technology, much of the seafloor remains unmapped in detail, and countless mysteries still lie beneath the surface. Almost every major expedition discovers something unexpected, from new marine species to previously unknown geological formations. Each discovery reminds us how little we truly know about Earth's oceans. The story of the Bloop is not only about one mysterious sound, it also represents humanity's endless search to understand the deepest and least explored places on our planet. The ocean still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. After the discovery of the Bloop, scientists continued listening to the world's oceans through networks of underwater sensors. Over the years, several similar sounds were detected. However, none captured global attention in quite the same way as the original recording. As researchers gathered more data, many unusual ocean sounds were eventually linked to natural events such as shifting ice, underwater earthquakes, or geological activity. Even so, the oceans continue to surprise scientists. Every new expedition and every new recording reveals just how much remains unknown beneath the surface. The Bloop may no longer be considered an unsolved mystery by many experts, but the deep ocean still keeps countless secrets hidden in the darkness. Today, most scientists agree that the Bloop was most likely produced by a natural event rather than an unknown creature. Yet the recording continues to fascinate millions of people around the world. It reminds us that Earth's oceans remain one of the least explored places on our planet. In many ways, we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the deepest parts of the sea. Every new expedition uncovers remarkable discoveries and raises even more questions. The mystery of the Bloop may have an explanation, but the ocean itself continues to challenge our understanding. Some of its greatest secrets may still be waiting beneath the waves, hidden in the darkness for future generations to discover. The story of the Bloop is about more than a mysterious sound. It reflects humanity's endless desire to understand the unknown. Every discovery answers one question, only to create many more. The deeper we explore the oceans, the more we realize how much remains hidden beneath the surface. Perhaps one day technology will allow us to map every corner of the deep sea, or perhaps some mysteries will always remain beyond our reach. The Bloop reminds us that curiosity has always driven exploration, and as long as unexplored places exist, new mysteries will continue to emerge. Even after decades of research, the deep ocean continues to surprise scientists with discoveries they never expected. Every expedition reveals something new, and every unanswered question reminds us that our planet still holds mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The Bloop may no longer be considered one of science's greatest unsolved mysteries, but it continues to remind us how much of our own planet remains unexplored. The deepest parts of the ocean still hide places no human has ever seen. Every expedition brings new discoveries, yet every answer reveals even more questions waiting beneath the surface. Scientists continue exploring the oceans with advanced technology, but vast regions of the deep sea remain almost completely untouched. Some mysteries are eventually solved. Others continue to inspire generations of explorers, researchers, and dreamers. The story of the Bloop reminds us that curiosity has always been one of humanity's greatest strengths. As long as there are places left to explore, there will always be new mysteries waiting in the darkness below. This is NEXORIS, exploring the world's greatest mysteries.